Hello software engineers. In this video, let's look into a Java practice problem from HackerRank. This is called Java string reverse. This is a basic problem. It's simple, and it's a palindrome problem. Problem is a word which is same as both from the backward and front forward. That's called palindrome. So in this program, given a string A, we have to print yes if it's a palindrome and print no if it is not a palindrome. And there could be at most 50 characters. And let's see how to solve. So there is a sample input given which is the word madam, and it is no same from front and no back. So it's a palindrome. To solve this, one brute force approach could be you reverse the string and compare the reversed string with the original string, and if they are equal, then you return yes, otherwise no. This solution could be further optimized. Instead of reversing, which will take n time, linear time, O of n time, we can just match few characters, and in case there is mismatch, we can exit earlier. So in case it's not a palindrome, we can process the things faster. Say if the first and the last letters are not matching, then very instantaneously we can return no, and no need to further process. So that's the best solution, where for no answer we can exit fast. So the idea is we iterate over the string character by character, and we use two indices. One is the start and end, and we keep incrementing and keep comparing the start and end. And the start we keep incrementing, and end we keep decrement until start is less than end. And in case all characters are equal, then we print yes, otherwise as we see a mismatch, we return no, and we print no and return no from the function. So this way it can be done very fast. So let's write the program in Java for the same. So here we have already given string A, which has been read from the standard input. So now what we need to do, as I said, there is only 50 characters and all are lowercase, so we can use say int and even to name it properly, I say start, and then end will be a dot length and -1, because the index will start from 0. And now I can use a while loop. So start until start is less than end. So if string is empty, then the length will be 0, and start will be less than the start will be greater than end will be -1. But yeah, an empty string is always a palindrome. So in this case we can print yes, you have to print Y capital. And for other cases, whether it's even or odd, in case of odd, our loop will terminate when start is equal to end. And for even numbers, strings with even number of characters, our loop will terminate when start will be more than end. So we'll see an example in the custom input for this use case. Let's now write the code further. So a dot character at this is, I need to pass start, and see if it's not equal to a dot character at, and then I can return from this, because this is not a palindrome, so I can print out no, that this is not a palindrome, and I return. So this is my code. This is just written because here it's void, and I need to, at each iteration, increment start. So I increment here, and I need to decrement end. So this is all the code for this palindrome. Let's see how it works. I'm running it. Okay, some semicolons missed out. Okay, yeah, just put this. Okay, byte, I should use here the comma, small typos, and a dot length -1. So this is about, okay, this is integer, so I have to explicitly cast it, okay, to byte. Now this works. Yeah, it's, I have to do a typecasting for this particular expression. I have used byte, so we saved here integer is taking 4 bytes, so we saved around 3 and 3/6 bytes. But yeah, there is slight complicated code, but I think worth it. And then let's see if for a custom input all are small, so as given in the problem statement, that we'll have a string of lowercase characters only. So here we are seeing it's working for both even and odd. What about empty string? It should return yes, because it's empty string reads same from forward and backward. Okay, now let me submit this code to see if it works for all the test cases in the system. And now I see all the test cases are getting executed. Okay, yeah, it's all success for all the test cases. So our solution is taken. Thank you. So this is all about this palindrome problem. Hope you enjoyed this video.